Hey guys, Smuggler's Build here, and today I'm going to do a build, and I'm going to do the Rocketeer. Now, this is a build that I had done before. It's one of my favorites. It's not that hard, actually. It's very, very easy. I actually went to the wrong place now. Um, I had built this a long time ago. So you want to go to minifigs, lower parts. You want to go to the kind of second row. You want this pair here. Then we go to upper parts, Star Wars. Then we're going to use one of the First Order officers from 2017. So we're just going to keep scrolling down until we see it. Here it is. Then we use this brown. We're going to go top and go center. So now we have a clearer look at it. Change the hands to black. Accessories. We're going to use the Mandalorian jetpacks. And we're going to keep going down until we see it. So here it is. We're going to turn it into pearl scent, which means we're going to change the color. So we want pearl scent, the titanium metallic. Then, if you want to, you can not have a head to it. You can just go to heads and, just pick a color. So I'm going to go with the gold. Then we're going to put on the helmet, the Zuri Bliss helmet. So that'd be in head clothing. Gonna keep going. It's somewhere in the Star Wars area. Here it is. I'm gonna click the headpiece. And there you have it. The Rocketeer. Now actually I'm just gonna move this up just a little bit because it's kind of interfering with the jetpack. But here you go, the Rocketeer. Now if you wanted to, you could change the head so that it's flesh, like so it looks like there's an actual head in there and not just, a metallic head piece in there. So this is how you make the Rocketeer from the comic books of the same name. And it's one of my favorite builds to do. It's really fun. It's easy, so this would be like one of the easier ones. So starting this Monday, so like today, I will be starting a new thing called Mecabricks Mondays, where I release all my Mecabrick builds that I will be doing, like Daredevil Yellow, which I had to redo, like Rocketeer, because of the quality, how bad it was, and some of it was just not working. I will also be doing a Daredevil from the Netflix TV show, a Doctor Strange based on the classics, Doctor Strange based on the Defenders, Luke Cage based on the TV show, and classic, Yellow Jacket from Marvel What If, Nick Fury, the original version. It's possible I might do some of these. Silver Surfer, Hercules from Marvel, the original Skrulls, Cosmic Ghost Rider, and I will be doing some Halloween ones like Dracula, Wolfman, Frankenstein's monster. I will also be doing some people based in real life, like John Lewis and Joe Biden. So these particular builds will come out on Mondays, or like Doctor Strange 2 that comes out on a Friday, Spider-Man Far From Home will be not Far From Home. No Way Home. I'm still kind of catching up. I rewatched the Spider-Man movie, so I'm always going to say Far From Home by accident. So these will all come out on Mondays. But if there is a movie like Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness, I have already planned those. So, like I said earlier, Doctor Strange Classic and the Defenders version. Both of those will come out on the same week the movie comes out. So one I will pick for a Monday, and the other one I will pick for the Friday the movie comes out. And it's kind of that easy. So I will see you guys next time, and don't forget to like and subscribe and comment if you want more. And yeah, comment if you want more Mecabrick builds or just mini mocks. If you have any suggestions for like a mini mock or Mecabrick builds that I don't already have planned, then go ahead, put it in the comments or on the discussion page. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.